right, so now we're moving on to identifying the domain and range of each table. So that's in our directions. So once again, domain, I want you to remember it relates to the input and range relates to the output. So let me see what colors I used. Okay, I want to make sure I stay consistent in the color. So domain is the blue one. That is going to be your input. Well, what are our inputs? We have 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's write those out. Remember, we are writing it out as a set. So for the sets, you use a curly bracket and list it out from smallest to biggest. 2, 3, 4, 5, and curly bracket. All right, and for range is very similar. It's just now instead of the input, range is the output. So I'm going to put both of those in the same color so that you know they are associated with each other. And let's take a look at the numbers. 0, 1, 3, 5. So let's write it out as a set. From smallest to biggest. 0, 1, 3, 5. All right, so that's how you do number 9. I'm gonna let you guys, or I'm gonna pause this video and we'll get back together for number 10. Okay, unpause. So now we're looking at number 10. Let's see if you guys got it correct, okay? So for number 10, we wanted to relate the domain to the inputs because domains is the sets of inputs. So let's take a look at those numbers and list them out from smallest to biggest. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And if you didn't get it right, don't worry. Remember that mistakes, if you make a mistake, it's literally just helping you improve, okay? And so now let's take a look at the range. Remember the range, which I'm going to put in green, relates to the output, which I will also put in green because they are related. And so those are the numbers. 3, 2, 5, 9. Let's write it out as a set. So in the set, we have to use the curly bracket and list it out from smallest to biggest. I almost wrote a 3, but 2 is smaller. Then 3, then 5, then 9. Okay, smallest to biggest. All right, and then 11 and 12 is up to you. So make sure if you have questions, you have to ask me. Otherwise, I cannot help if you don't tell me.